Hi guys, how you doing? An update on the single cap. Some of you might want to see it. Some of you are not that interested, but then, yeah. Welcome to MTF. Mugot the Fixer. An update on the single cap. So what I've been busy with is that I've been trying to level up the body, because when I got it, it was not level. As you can see, it had too many colors. This color right here, this color right here. So yeah, it was not like this. If you go back and watch the other videos, the door was not like this. Now it is flat and level. So what I used is that I used 180 grit with this. Let me show you. With this right here. So I use this block right here. So you just go like that. So I did this whole section. This whole section right here. It is level. As you can see, this and this, they're not the same. So this has been worked. Just waiting for primer. But I think I'm going to use around, maybe 300 sandpaper, just to make it a bit fine, a bit smooth, and then come back this side, do this side also, work it. But for now, I just wanted to work this whole side and then make it look nice and flat and smooth, and then go back that other side. Let me show you that other side, what it looks like. So I even worked here, and then I still need to do this what do you call, you know what I'm talking about. Still need to do this side and then take out that light also. So this side needs to look like that side. Let me put that block there. So this rust, then all these things right here, I need to get them flat, and then also fix this side right here, because the door doesn't close. So I need to fix this side, make it straight, like this side in here. So it was not this straight. Like I kind of worked on it. Come on, I kind of worked on it. So, but it is not that perfect. So this whole thing right here, I need to work on it. Use sandpaper. Let me see if I can get some light. Yeah, this side also is nice. Just need, I think, 80, 100, maybe 250, and then 300. So it will be flat and nice. Although it is flat and nice now, but then I don't like it because it has some rough spots. This needs to, this rust right here, need to flatten it, no rust. Also this side also is nice. The door, you can feel it, it has some rough spots like here, so I need to work it. Let me show you what I've been using. So it is 120, and then a 100. So what I've been doing is that I was just doing it like that, but be careful not to do it on the same side, because that side will not be level with the other side. Just go like use that block. Make sure that you get the whole side. Don't do too much on just one side. So with that, guys, I'm thinking of putting this Chevrolet engine. It was in this pass, so I'm thinking of putting it in this single cab, but I'm not entirely sure at the moment. But then, yeah, I'll see how it goes. The brakes, the brakes didn't go that well. That master cylinder, I think it has a lot of problems. It has rust in it and holes in it, so I might do some modification and then use another master cylinder. I think I know what I'm going to use. With the wheels, I finally gotten rid of those kind of wheels. If you know the single cab, the low light single cab, it doesn't come with this type of setup. It comes with that type of setup that the wheels go this side. Let me show you, because this one is it is a disc. As you can see, there is that disc in there. So this one is aligning what do you call it? Is a lining system. It is not a disc system. So I got rid of that one. This is the one that one was there. So I took it out and then put this type of disc setup, because this one I don't like it. Although if I may decide to sell the car in the future, I'm going to keep the original setup. If someone wants to take it to original setup, then they can take it back. I like it like that, because most of the wheels that I have and most of the rings that I have, they are 5 holes. So yeah, I did it on all the wheels. Is this one, that one, even the back one also, that other side also I did it. So yeah, so now what's left is to make sure that it breaks. I will get a new cylinder and then put it in, because that one has some issues, has rust in it. So yeah, I know some of you want me to show you how to do this, how to take out this thing, and then how to take out that thing and then put this disc in. It is simple. I think it is 3 nuts. Here's a ball joint right here. You take out this ball joint and then you take out that other one, and then you take out that steering, I think, a tie rod end or something. So it is that simple. I didn't show it because it is not that difficult for someone to do. You just have to get the right equipment or the right tools, and then you'll be set. Yeah, so there is an update on the single cab, guys. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and then I'll just keep them coming. Let me know what you want to see. I'll make sure that I film or I take videos of what I'm doing. And then if you are interested in what I'm doing, then let me know. Give the video a like if you do like it. Leave a comment if I didn't say anything. If I said something wrong, I don't mind being corrected. That is how I learn. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos come. Bye.